Hello YouTube, this is Dr. from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. So I went to my second Tuesday morning trying to find some spellbinder dies. No, couldn't find any. No dies. So anyway, this is what I got. Did find some nice ephemera stuff. I did find one rubber stamp, about stamp pendants for $3.99, and it's 2044947. It's called Travel. So it has the United States up here. It also has a car pulling a trailer on the hitch on the end. So Scenic Highway is what it says up here. So I did get a couple of ephemera packs, which I just thought were darling. So this is Wild Child by Pink Paisley for $1.49, 203-8658, 40-piece count. So on the back of it, you see some Polaroids, penguins, horse, flowers, rainbows, tags. Now it's lighting me up. Okay, whoops. Didn't mean to throw that. This is Auburn Lane by Pink Paisley. Same price, 40 pieces. 203-8658. Oh, they're the same number. So all the Pink Paisley has the same number. So, but either way, you know they have one of them. So you still probably go to the store. I like this color combination. Just thought it was different. So you've got things like a house, a rabbit. It says some Polaroids. Thankful, thank you, loved. Some frames, so I thought these were pretty. Now, like I said, the color combination. I got another shaker set for my aunt. This is the everyday cards, the llama, and the cactus. So I got that for her. And they have the little shaker stuff in there. So how about that? See the light is coming up. There we go. The sun is coming up, so now I can cut that off, I guess. $4.99, $1.99, $5451. So they do have the stuff for the contents of the shaker as well. It makes 6 cards, which was a little cheaper. Got some nice white with like snowflake confetti, not confetti, sequins mix. $1.99, and it is 201-4850. Got this cute little purse keychain. That was so cute. They had this in blue and in pink. But I just thought it was cute. I might get this as a gift for somebody. 203-6721. So, and it does unzip as well. So you could put something in here. So these are some of the sticker stuff that I got. This is Amy Tangerine Remarks 8 sticker, alpha sticker sheet. It's 8 sheets. And it says alpha sticker, but actually there's word sentiments on it. It's 205-2208 for $1.49. Small, kind of paid for, but anyway, it comes in like mint, goldish yellow, this pink, and this black, and it says things like "I love you." I mean, I love right now. Excuse me, I can't read. This happened on the list. Good job. Let's get together always. Just plain wonderful. And I think they repeat each other. Just different colors. Yep. So these just repeat. They're different colors. So you get 2 of each color. Didn't realize that. So you get 8 sheets. They did. I did just say that, but I don't know why I didn't realize that. It's too early and I need to eat. And I gotta get on the road. I need to travel again. Okay. This one was a Maggie Holmes. And this is a Label Maker 41 stickers. And it's 204-5055. It's reflective. But it's typed out in big font. Things like darling, sweet, loving life, bliss, precious memories, lovely, gorgeous, happy, true friend, wonder, too fun, daydreamer, kisses, happiness. So you can see most of it is a large font and capitalized in on the bottom. It's all lowercase. You really can't see because it's shimmery. And I picked this up again. I just hauled this yesterday, my other haul. But But I guess I was sitting there picking everything they had up there, and I made a mistake and picked this up. But just in case you didn't see it, because this can go back or go on a D-stash. I mean, not D-stash, but a giveaway. 2045054, which I'm going to have one next month for my birthday. So just some word sentiments. This is the cocoa one. Snow cocoa. Snow and cocoa. 86. And it is $1.49. 1984338. And if I didn't say this one is 2045054. Yes, I did. So it has the months of the years, December, January, February. It says birds, snowflakes. If kisses were snowflakes, wonderful. Cold, cozy nights, warm blankets, and hot chocolate. Hot cocoa and fuzzy socks. That's a beautiful day. Snow day, everybody. That's a beautiful day. Wonderful day. Snowflake kisses. Wonderland. Oh dear. So it just kind of repeats itself in different colors. Nice fall and chocolate colors. You don't get too many stickers in those color sets. So it's great to have in your stash whenever you get some of those colors like that, because it's so rare that you would find ephemera stickers that have the browns. I mean, that chocolate over brown, and the other shades as well. This is Amy Tangerine. It says 2052206. 283 accents and phrase stickers. Live the life you love to live. Live the life you love. Love the life you live. Messy, happy. Some hand signs, gestures, airplanes, some alphas, hello. Routine, days of the week right here. Every day, you got your typewriter. It says adventure, umbrella. So you can use these in your planners. Here we go. An everyday adventure. There's a Maggie Holmes one. This is $1.49. 36 set. 2045057. So you probably won't be able to see it. Some of them you will, but so shimmery. So you have some hearts and the ampersand. And the hearts are different size. It says a happy day. Sweetness. Documented, capture this moment. Hello, my dear. The perfect sort of day. Smile. Then you've got some tickets. Ticket says things like love, remember, adored, love this and happy. The longer stickers, remember, lovely. We got some banners and some seals, XO, treasure, things like that. I got this one thicker set to go with this, not this paper collection, but the one I got before this. $2.19. 2038654. 124 thicker sets, so it's animal print. And so, and that's by Dear Lizzie. And this last thing is Amy Tangerine paper pad. 2052198. And I should have been prepared to have this cut. But I'm going to flip through what you probably already seen. I really wanted to get it in 6. About 6, but I ended up getting it in 12 by 12. And I may take it back and get the smaller size. Not sure. Don't need it. But I loved all of those sentiments, and I love the colors. Again, these color sets are not the ones that you always see. I love the postcards too. That was another reason why. Cameras, the map. Nice cut aparts right there for some 3x3s. Your coffee, your border strips. Look at that. Some journaling. And then it repeats, of course. So that's a 48 piece. And this one is actually, does it have a name up here? Hustle and Heart is actually the name of it. Interesting name. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.